worried whether your maid is taking proper care of your kids at home, then the SecureEye SC20 Wi-Fi camera is for you. Let's take a look at the box first. It comes inside a cardboard box packaging with all the features on the sides here. Inside you get the SC20 camera, a 1 meter micro USB charging cable and a 5 volt 1 amp adapter. You also get a set of screws and a wall clamp adapter. Using this you can wall mount the camera anywhere. And finally you get a user guide as well. Let's look at the setup and installation. First, download the SecureEye Falcon Plus app from the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on your phone. Next, register with an account by providing all the details, mostly your mobile number. Then you need to use the provided adapter and cable to plug it to a power socket and connect the micro USB port to the SC20. Now the camera will prompt this.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
Then on the app, click on the plus icon on the top right corner. There are two ways to connect this. First is through a network device. By clicking on this option, you will be further asked to scan a QR code which is present at the bottom of the main camera body. Now it will open up a Wi-Fi password, which will be a simple password of your Wi-Fi which you are using, and input that. Then you will be prompted to a sonic configuration where you have to make sure volume of your device is full, which is your mobile. Keep the camera and phone under 20 centimeters range and the automatic sonic configuration will set up.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
And you're connected. Second option is as a standalone device or AP mode. Here you will be able to access the camera and its features within the network premises of the AP hotspot. It will ask you for the connection with the camera hotspot. To connect that camera hotspot, password will be your camera UID printed on the camera sticker. Once you connect with the camera hotspot, come back to the app, click on connected, and within some time it will ask you for the default password which is printed on the camera sticker. Once entered the password, it asks you for confirmation, and post confirming, the camera gets added successfully. Note that this will be an offline mode and recordings are saved on the memory card only and cannot be viewed online.